Good day, listeners, and welcome to another episode of As a Matter of Tax. On behalf of the Comptroller and staff of the Inland Revenue Department, we thank you for tuning in and we extend continued best wishes to all taxpayers. This program is designed to educate and inform the taxpaying public of St. Vincent and the Grenadines on matters of taxation. On today's episode, we will be examining the process of registering a business at the Inland Revenue Department. Registering a business at the Inland Revenue Department in Vincent and the Grenadines involves a two-step process. First, your business must be legally recognized by registering a business name as a sole proprietorship or business name or by incorporating a limited liability company. This step is completed at the Commerce and Intellectual Property Office, CIPO. Business name registration requires filing an application for registration of a business at CIPO at a cost of $250, while incorporation typically costs $975 EC, which is subject to increases depending on the number of directors and associated legal fees. The next step involves registering your business at the Inland Revenue Department. To do this, you will need to present your business registration certificate and statement of particles. This will be provided to you from the CIPO's office. Additionally, you must complete the IRD's business registration form and present this along with your National Identification Card or National Insurance Number. Once this process is completed successfully, the IRD's tax system will generate your tax identification number or your TIN. You will be required to present this TIN at the Customs and Excise Department and other government institutions with which you may conduct business. Your business will be registered to pay corporate income tax or CIT for companies and personal income tax PIT for unincorporated businesses. Additionally, if your business meets certain financial thresholds, you must register for value-added tax, VAT. VAT registration is mandatory if your gross annual sales exceed EC $300,000 or averages to EC $25,000 per month. A business with employees would also be required to register for monthly PAYE deductions. It is therefore important that you provide accurate information to the department officers when registering a business. Further information on the registration process will be given in a subsequent broadcast. We wish to remind you of the upcoming deadlines. Personal income tax are due by March 31st, 2026. To all drivers celebrating birthday in February, please renew your driver's license on or before your birth date. The deadline for motor vehicle license with last digit 2 and second half ending with last digit 8 is Friday, 27 February 2026. Professional license fees are due in January and payable by March 1st. Companies with financial year end November 2025 are required to file corporate income tax by Friday, 27 February 2026. Economic substance return with year end October 2025 and payments of estimated tax are also due at the end of February 2026. The Inland Revenue Department is located at the former Bronx building on Halifax Street opposite the Methodist Church Hall. Thank you for your attention and continued cooperation. On behalf of the Comptroller and staff of the Inland Revenue Department, we encourage you to stay informed, file on time, and take advantage of our online services. This is Deborah Hooper-Harry, and this has been another episode of As a Matter of Tax. Have a productive and compliant February.